You want a better life. You have big dreams and overflowing ambitions. But in reality, you're lying in bed mindlessly scrolling, caught between the guilt of why am I doing this and the resignation of everyone lives like this anyway. You find yourself becoming familiar with laziness again. And when your burning motivation cools down, you go back to square one and blame yourself for being a lazy person. This isn't just a lack of willpower. It's because the law of inertia from physics applies to your behavior as well. An object at rest tries to stay still, and an object in motion tries to keep moving. That state will continue unless an external force is applied. Stopping the scroll and starting something new means you need a massive initial driving force to move from rest to movement. Because that force feels so daunting, your brain instinctively turns to the easiest temptation, social media. The first answer to breaking this overwhelming inertia is to minimize the burden. A goal like, I'll study for 3 hours starting today to change my life, makes the wall of inertia too high. Instead, lower the threshold. I'll just put my phone down and sit at my desk for 2 minutes. If you drastically reduce the burden like this, you can easily break down the wall of inertia and get over it. Small movements break the wall. This is inertia in motion. Once you move, the acceleration increases and it becomes rather difficult to stop. That's why the first start is important. If you just get that first start, it will be a breeze from then on. You need to start by lowering the threshold as much as possible, whether it's 2 minutes or just writing 50 characters. Go up the first step first, even if you can't see the entire staircase. You may not need to do everything right now or have the confidence to do it all, but if you start with small steps, you will find yourself climbing quite high before you know it. I hope today's video serves as a small opportunity to break your inertia. This is the motive theory. See you in the next video.